All right, now we're gonna actually show you leaving the lift. So my daughter is gonna back us out here. You can see the control right there. If it's basically in the center, then
it might tweak a little bit when you are backing
pull the
up.
lever down and then slowly can go into reverse. You can see kind of what kind of clearance we're dealing with here.
And then you never want to push it straight forward.
Right.
You always want to go into neutral and then go.
Right. So you never want to just go from reverse to forward suddenly. You always kind of want to go reverse to neutral, then neutral to forward, or vice versa. But we're just slowly backing out right now. Just still have it in a very low reverse. And we're just slowly backing out on the lake right here, nothing behind us. And then now we're in a position where around this lake, you always want to go counterclockwise. So the way that we're taking off, now we can go straight ahead along the shore, and we can do circles in a counterclockwise fashion around the lake.
Also, make sure to stay at least 100 feet away from a dock.
Yep. So at least always leave a buffer with all the houses, the docks here. We want to be respectful of the neighbors. People have rafts. Sometimes there's kayakers. You want to be keep a safe distance, and make sure that you're always looking ahead of you, that you don't run into. There could be a buoy or anything like that that's in place. You can see right now where we are. We're in about 26 feet of water. The deepest part of the lake is essentially towards the middle, off to our left a little bit, where it gets to about 48, 50 feet, somewhere in that range. So you're fine essentially with leaving the motor trimmed down. Really the only thing that you want to be aware of is when we get to the sandbar, that the depth does go down quite a bit. So you want to be aware of using the depth finder and being aware of how shallow the water might be, that you don't ground the engine.
So if you can see there's a fishing boat up there, so you always want to make sure that you can see forward.
Yep.
Because also reminders from passengers on the boat is always good, and having at least 2 people on the boat to know what to do.
Yep. And then, as you can see here, in order to proceed forward, we just have the throttle essentially, further down and forward. The farther down you go, the faster the boat goes. The trim operation is right on the side of.
Right here.
So even as you're driving, you can go up, down accordingly, and then it would reflect on the gauge right there. So even if we wanted to here, I'm going to do this, like we could easily slow and then kick to neutral. Now we're just idling, and then if we want to pick back up speed, we can just simply move forward again. All the keys and everything like that just sit as is while you're operating.